Welcome to today's video, where I'm going to be unboxing the Celestron 15x70 SkyMaster Binoculars. So if you're interested in perhaps buying a new pair of binoculars for astronomy, or if you are looking at this particular model, then hopefully this video is useful for you. If you hit the subscribe button, I will be releasing a future video on my kind of thoughts and opinions having used these binoculars for some time. I will be reviewing them, I'll be spending some time getting to grips with them and just using them in different settings. So as I say, if you're looking for a more in-depth review of these in action, then do subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Maybe leave a comment down below as well if you have any questions about these binoculars. Here are the Celestron 15x70 SkyMaster binoculars. They have literally just arrived, and what I thought I would do is just record a quick video to show you exactly how you will receive them, exactly what's included, and give you some first impressions in terms of their size and things like that. So first and foremost, they come in this official Celestron packaging. I'm just going to carefully open this up here with a pair of scissors. Hopefully I can do this quite quickly without damaging the box. That would be nice as well. So hopefully you can see that. So I was looking for a pair of binoculars for astronomy purposes, but also with the ability to use them for terrestrial viewing as well. Now these binoculars are fit for both of those use cases. In fact, as far as I'm aware, these are these are a pair of binoculars where you're kind of at the high end for both of those. I think if you get binoculars any kind of bigger than that in terms of their general size and weight, you likely won't be able to use them without a tripod, because I'm looking to hold these. And secondly, I don't have a tripod at the present time of recording. And secondly, I believe that's kind of the max in terms of terrestrial and astronomy purposes. So let's have a look at these. So here is the box itself. And as you can see, it describes all of the core functionality and features here. Sorry, I've got something on my finger. We've got the magnification at 15 times, the objective lens diameter at 70 mil. They're multi-coated in terms of their lens coating, angular field of view 4.4 degrees, and there's a lot on here as well, with an eye relief of 18 millimeters, and the prisms are back 4 and they are water resistant. So in terms of the accessories included, we get a tripod adapter, the objective lens cap, which will go on here, I presume, a rain guard, carrying case, a neck strap and a lens cloth. So with that all in mind, let us just carefully open these up. Want to keep these nice and protected. So let's do this very carefully. So that's got a nice sticker there, so we know they haven't been used before. I bought these brand new, which to be honest is always, I like buying things like this brand new because you get not only a premium pair of binoculars, but you ensure you get all the accessories and things like that. So here we go, we got a Celestron manual, and it looks like it includes just some information regarding how we can adjust the interpupillary distance, the focus, and just some other recommendations in terms of care and cleaning. And that comes in multiple different languages. So bear in mind, it's basically a one-page document. Okay, so it doesn't look too confusing. Now onto the binoculars themselves. So we've got this outer packaging to keep them safe. And here is the carrying case. It looks really, really nice. And also, it's very well padded. So I like that from the outset. Now, if I open this up, we can see the binoculars inside. Again, really well packaged. There's some foam here just to keep it, well, that's protecting the binoculars, but it also looks like something's included here, some kind of accessory. It looks perhaps like this is the tripod adapter, but I can't confirm that at this precise moment. What else we've got in the box? There's nothing in the box, so I assume the rest of the accessories will be in here, perhaps even in here. So that's correct. If I look in this carrying case, we have the cloth, the cleaning cloth to wipe the lenses, the eyepieces, and there's also, what else is there? There is also the neck strap. So if I just show you that, this is the neck strap, which I believe will help us wear binoculars around our necks if we need to. So it also looks like the carrying case has already got the strap applied. So hopefully you can see that. Let's put that down. Now onto the binoculars themselves, which of course is why we're all here. So if I get these out carefully. So first and foremost, in terms of size,
the eyepiece cap has just fallen off there. That's just keeping the eyepieces well protected, so bearing that in mind, that is loose. There does look like we can attach that using, hopefully you can see that, some kind of, we could put some string through that and attach it if needs be. But as you can see in terms of size, so yeah, they're really nice size actually. Not too heavy, and yeah, I think I'd be able to hold these up for quite a considerable amount of time. I wouldn't say I'm the strongest guy out there, but I'm also a relatively young male in my 30s, so I shouldn't have a problem holding these for a significant period of time. If you're getting these for a child, or perhaps if you're on the elderly side or buying these as a gift for the elderly, then perhaps you may need a tripod, but I don't necessarily think so. Maybe from extended observations, it might be useful. So here are the objective lens caps. We've got one on each side, and you can see the objective lenses at the end there look absolutely brilliant. They're multi-coated as well. So there's a cap for each lens there, which is great. You can hold them like this. Also, they've got this kind of nice textured finish here, and they've also got a place to have your kind of thumbs, which is great. We got the kind of center focus dial, which we can adjust, and we can also adjust it this way. So just going to quickly look through these. Oh, they're really comfortable. So they've got these nice rubber coatings around the eyepieces, just to kind of, yeah, just to give us a little bit of comfort there. So yeah, overall, here they are. If you wanted to know what they look like out of the box, everything that comes included, then hopefully this video has been useful. I can't wait to get started using these. And yeah, these are the Celestron SkyMaster 15x70. They've got a long eye relief. And yeah, here they are. So hopefully this video is useful.